Hi everyone, my name is Allison Rodman, founder of The Learning Loop. Welcome to this week's Learning Lift. This week I want to talk about establishing the why for our professional learning experiences. Too often we jump right into the content of the work and don't really take the time to step back and think about why we're doing what we're doing. And one of the mistakes that we make here is assuming that a category of professional learning, such as new teacher induction or a workshop or a professional learning community, is the same thing as a purpose, and it's simply not. We've got to think about, why are we bringing this specific group of individuals together to gather as a group at this time in this space, and what do we hope that they will gain from the experience? So in your work in professional learning design, I encourage you as a leader to think through not just the categories of your professional learning, but truly, what is the purpose? What do you hope that learners will glean from the experience, and what are the action steps that we should look to see in their practice moving forward?